The virtual flight test environment is a web-based flight simulation that enables flight tests to be performed to test controllers without the need of any additional tools. An unmanned drone can be flown using only the keyboard. In the preview version that is available for free of cost on our website, the aircraft can be controlled directly, or the flight characteristics can be influenced by a controller. The user can either take a perspective in which he is directly behind the drone or observe the drone's movement from a fixed position on the ground. Displays allow the monitoring of flight parameters. In the mode where the user has a fixed position, the displays can be used as a ground station. Behind the movement of the aircraft is a non-linear flight dynamic that simulates real flight behavior. In addition, the dynamics of the sensors and actuators are simulated as well. So, what are the primary use cases for the VFTE? 1. Before pilots go into real flight testing, you can test the flight behavior in the simulation. This reduces the risk of crashes. 2. Before new control concepts are tested in practice, the concepts can be verified in the safe world of the virtual platform. 3. System failures can be simulated in order to check the behavior in these exact cases of failure. 4. The VFTE benefits every drone owner, every drone manufacturer and every researcher who wants to make sure that her real flight test is a success and saves costs. If demanded, AlphaLink engineering can integrate any geographic area and any drone into the VFTE. The web-based environment allows you and any of your customers anywhere in the world to virtually test your copter or fixed-wing aircraft using a browser and a keyboard only. Use the VFTE in combination with our hardware-in-the-loop simulator and control your drone directly via remote control or ground station. For more information, get in touch or visit alphalink.aero/VFTE.